Hey, Ronnie here. I want to show you how to use this awesome AI audit playbook that I built just for you. It is absolutely free. So you can go through this document below this video. There's a Google Doc. Go through, read this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy and paste. This is the prompt. You're going to put this into your Claude chat or ChatGPT. I'm going to go in here and paste it. All right, so I just pasted it in, and now Claude is going to go to work. It's going to ask me some questions, so I'm going to go in and paste in my answers. There'll be 5 questions that it asks, and you can go in there and, of course, spend some time on this. Not a ton of time. You let AI do the work for you, but of course, you're going to answer the questions that it asks. So, about you, what you sell, what's your biggest bottleneck, and I'm just going to paste in some answers here for the next question. Are you using AI in your business already? If so, how? I'm just going to paste in my answers. And then in just a couple of seconds, we're going to see the results here. So I'm just pasting the last answer in here. So if you could clone yourself one task, what would this task be? All right, so here's the analysis from the AI audit. You can go through. It's going to give you a 90-day plan. It's going to give you the 3 starter prompts that you can go in here and implement. But here's the thing: what I just showed you is the free version, and it's very powerful to get you going, to get you started. Let me actually show you what I've built using Claude, just me and Claude. No developers, no coders, no designers, no team, just me and Claude. And I think you'll be pretty impressed with some of the things that I've been able to build all by myself. So here is a game that I built for iPhone and iPad. This is the full website, the graphics, everything that you see here, including the app itself, was created simply with me and Claude solo. No designers, no coders. I do not know how to code. Okay, guys, I do not know how to code at all. This is the game itself in the App Store. You can see even this video was generated using AI, using Claude, and it is extremely powerful. Again, I'm going to show you how to build all of these things yourself using the exact same framework of the AI Audit playbook that I showed you there. Here's actually how the game works. You can see it's a photo guessing game with your own photo library where you guess who, where, when the photos were taken. I'm just sharing this because I built this. Everything that you see, I built it myself. I am not a coder. I think there's like 60,000 lines of code or something like that. I'm not a coder. I'm not a designer. I just built this entirely using AI and me and Claude. That's it. Here's an example of some social media posts. This is an iMessage chat. The image that you see, the banter back and forth, the actual video itself was all edited using Claude and designed, written, everything. Just me and Claude. No video editor, no timeline, no visual apps or any other things. It's just me and Claude, and I'm going to show you how to build all of this yourself as well. Here's another example. This was all auto-generated, including the image itself, by the way, that you're seeing in here. All of this was done and created using me and Claude. I know you're going to get tired of me saying that over and over again. There's all sorts of videos that I've created. There's TikTok slideshows that you see here. All of this was auto-generated. The text, the imagery, and there's a whole system and science and persuasion and marketing behind all of this. Even this dashboard you see here that I use to manage all the different tasks. I have all sorts of other things that I've built, other tools. Everything that you're seeing here, yep, you guessed it, just me and Claude. No other team, no designers, no developers. This PDF was fully designed, not with Canva, not with a designer, literally just chatting back and forth with Claude. And in fact, what's really cool about this is that even these screenshots that you see in the PDF here, well, Claude pulled these out of my video and put it into this PDF, beautifully designed, everything laid out nicely and neatly. In fact, even this video that you see here, and even the video that you're watching right now, all of this, the visuals, the graphics, the text overlays, the little bubble of my video in the corner, the editing, all of the zoom ins, everything was done entirely using Claude. And you do not need to know how to code. You do not need to know how to edit or design or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to do all of this. Here's a sample report, all the visuals, the layout, the coding of everything that you see here. This landing page I did for a client. All of the research, deep research, the design, the layout, everything was done with me and Claude. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that as well. What I would love to do is to invite you personally to my brand new school community. It is called the Solo Creators AI Studio, and I'm going to show you how I built all of these things. I'm going to show you what I do, my process. I'm going to give you the actual AI skills and all of the AI agents and workflows, and I'm going to train you up. We're going to have calls together, build it calls, hot seats. We're going to do a lot of fun stuff together. Here's the thing that matters the most. What you just watched with the AI audit is the free version. It runs plain and simple in the chat. And what I just showed you, everything that I built, I want you to be able to build it too. You can. If you can copy and paste, you can absolutely do this. And quite frankly, that's what I built the Solo Creators AI Studio for. I'm here to help you, support you to grow your business so that we can build together solo. You don't need a team. You do not need to know how to code. You do not need to be technical. I go over all of this and a lot more, and you can get direct access to me. I'm there to support you. So go ahead and join that Solo Creators AI Studio school community. I'd love to see you on board. There is a very limited founders rate right now going on for a limited number of spots. So if you want to learn how I built all of these things and more, if you want me to build new things for you in your business that I can share to the full community, and if you want direct access to me, join the Solo Creators AI Studio. It is the only place to get access to me, and I'm excited to see what we can build together. Go ahead, sign up below, and then when you're in, go introduce yourself, share a little bit about you, what you're building, and I'm more than pumped to see you inside of the community. I will be there. I will personally welcome you. Looking forward to seeing what we build together. Solo. Take care.